Alright guys, here we are, DC Autotronics, Escondido, California, 760-715-2404 or dc.autotronics@gmail.com. Alright, we're in the car now, windows rolled up, and kind of give you a little sound check. Here we go. Again, this is a daily driver, customers music. Alright, you guys can hear that. There's a lot of air being pushed out of that box. Again, this is with the windows rolled down, guys. I'm sorry, with the windows rolled up. I apologize. We're gonna now shoot some more jams here with the windows rolled down. Here we go. Alright, we're gonna roll down the front two windows, guys, and keep the ones in the rear halfway down, just to kind of give you an idea what it sounds like.
Big Dipper.
Alright, there you guys have it. Two TNT TEDs, 600 RMS, 1200 max, dual voice coil, running off a 4480, 2200 RMS at 1 ohm. And of course there's our second battery, the Backcap X2000, keeping this amplifier hungry for